Hi everyone, my name is Alexa, and in today's video I'm going to be going over the Mousetrap Car competition for the 2024-25 school year. To start off, I'm going to be going over the competition requirements, starting with the materials. So to begin, you will be designing your Mousetrap car with a standard mousetrap measured 9.8 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. And this can only have one spring on it too, so that would be your base starting Mousetrap car. Some other requirements about the design of the Mousetrap car include that the locking level can be removed, the bail can be altered, however the spring cannot be altered in any capacity. Additionally, we do not allow any 3D printed materials of any kind within the design or the build. Another important consideration is the total cost of the Mousetrap car. It should not exceed $10. This does not include the cost of the Mousetrap car itself, just the added on materials. You can, however, use recycled and donated materials, which wouldn't be included within the total cost or budget, but you will have to keep track of and document where you obtained these materials from. And now talking about the measurements. So we do require that the Mousetrap car bail arm has a maximum length of 15.24 centimeters, so this will be measured during competition. And the performance score of the Mousetrap car will be based on the longest distance traveled. And this is worth 50% of your total score for your team. Moving on, we have the engineering notebook, which is another important requirement for both the water bottle rockets and Mousetrap car competitions. So basically what the engineering notebook is just a log of the student's work over the course of the project. The engineering notebook is worth 30% of the total score, and there are score sheets available on our website that list the components that the judges will look for at the regional competitions. So if you want some more details on that, on the right I have included a screenshot of the score sheet for the engineering notebook section, and this includes organization such as the cover page, table of contents, team norms and team roles, as well as meeting notes. Planning and design, which includes brainstorming, concept art and sketches of the design beforehand, and materials list with the budget. And this is what I was talking about earlier. So just keep track of all the costs of the materials that are using, as well as any donations or recycled materials as well. And then also include results within the engineering notebook, which includes technical drawings of the final design, photos, and trial runs. The technical drawings can be hand-drawn or digitally created through CAD. For more specific details on what should be included in the engineering notebook, please take a look at our guidelines PDF that is listed in the website. Okay, so now I wanted to talk a little bit more about the trial run section of the engineering notebook and as a whole. So each version of the Mousetrap car design requires a minimum of 3 trial runs. And so you can have as many designs as you want, but we do also have a minimum of 2 sets of trial runs, meaning you will have 2 designs, which is an original design as well as the final design, so you should have at least a total of 6 trial runs. When documenting your Mousetrap car trial runs, please make sure that you are recording and taking note of the distance traveled measured in centimeters of each of the 6 trial runs. Also include some notes about the Mousetrap car's performance based on your observations, and also include a hypothesis of what your team thinks will happen during the trial run given the new changes you have made to the design. All of this should be included in your engineering notebook. Additionally, each team will need a statistical analysis of their Mousetrap car's performance. And this is basically just doing a simple math of the average distance traveled from all of the trial runs. I have listed the formula below that is needed. Last but not least, we have the presentation portion of the competition. So the presentation is also a requirement for both water bottle rockets and Mousetrap cars, and it is worth 20% of the overall score. Once again, on the bottom, I have included a screenshot of the score sheet of how the judges will be scoring the presentation, such as the organization of the presentation, as well as the specifics of the content slides. So listed below are what they will be looking for. And once again, if you do want some more detailed explanations of what should be listed on each slide, please take a look at the guidelines PDF on our website. In order to compete for nationals, every team must have a video of at least 1 trial of the final design of the car. This can be done at a district competition or at the school level. Middle and high school divisions will also be presenting their presentations in person virtually during nationals. And that concludes today's video. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and please once again feel free to reach out to us at secme@eng.ufl.edu if you have any questions that I didn't answer. And please make sure to take a look at our website to see the guidelines that we have posted there that have more details on the competition and requirements. Thanks everyone, have a great day.